Often there is a need to locate and capture data on a document when the data loosely or tightly conforms to some pattern. In this case, I will target a license number. To capture this, I will create an element of the character string type. I will name it license number. I will change the method from alphabet to regular expression, and I'll use the regular expression editor to help me build an appropriate regular expression. The license starts with 3 letters. I can specify this with a C character and indicate that this repeats 3 times. I will press Insert. To capture the next character, a dash, I will use the From Set feature and place a dash within the brackets. Next, I will insert a digit that repeats 2 times. I will repeat my method for capturing a dash character. Finally, I will indicate that I need to capture 2 characters, so once again, the repeat function comes in handy here. Don't forget to press the Insert button to help build your regular expression. I will save my regular expression and I will click Match to see the results in a hypothesis tree. By clicking on the green dot, I can see that the license number I was trying to find was properly located. The same technique can be used for finding data such as Social Security numbers and many other formatted strings. Note that wildcards can be placed in your regular expression to extend its search capabilities.